Making nectars to attract pollinators.
One way a plant uses carbohydrates is by making nectars to attract pollinators. Many plants reproduce sexually, producing male and female gametes in flowers. Unlike animal gametes, the male gametes of flowers cannot move themselves from place to place. Instead, they depend on insects like birds to transport them between flowers inside pollen grains. However, no animal is going to do this for a plant unless it gets a reward. So, flowers produce nectars that animals can feed on. Nectar contains different kinds of sugar, all made from the glucose that the plant has made by photosynthesis. Nectar is a sweet liquid secreted by many insect-pollinated flowers to attract their pollinators. They provide a lot of energy for pollinators. Nectars are found in different colors like yellow to red. Sometimes they can be found in other colors like brown and black. Nectaries are usually located at the base of the flower stamens, which draw the insects into contact with the pollen to be transferred. Nectar is produced in glands known as nectaries. The glands are commonly found at the base of flowers, where they produce nectar as a reward for pollinators. Nectar is mainly a watery solution of the sugars fructose, glucose, and sucrose, but also contains traces of proteins, salts, and acids. Nectars in flowers attract pollinators such as hummingbirds and insects. As a pollinator drinks the sugary nectar, their bodies pick up pollen grains and carry it to the next flower they drink from. Basically, nectars attract pollinators who then help move the pollen from one flower to another, allowing fruits and seeds to grow. Flowers would not be pollinated if there were no nectars present, because pollinators would not go to the flower. If pollination does not take place, plants are unable to reproduce. Most flowers have nectars to attract the pollinators, but a few species of plants do not have nectaries to produce nectar. Instead, they have other mechanisms to attract pollinators.